Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to save recipes from TikTok. Here are some steps to save recipes from TikTok on your device. First, save the videos in TikTok app. Open TikTok and find the recipe video. Tag the bookmark or save to favorites icon on the right panel. Exit later by going to your profile, then tap on the favorite section. Download the video to your phone. Tap the share button or arrow icon. Select save video to download it to your gallery. If the option is unavailable, try screen recording. Take screenshots of important steps. While watching, press the power plus volume down to take screenshots. Save them in a recipe folder in your gallery. Use TikTok collections. Tap bookmark or save to favorites. Tap manage. Create new collection. For example, recipes. To organize saved videos. Then tap on save. Share to yourself via chat or social media. Tap share, then send to yourself via WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. This keeps it accessible even if the video gets deleted. Use a recipe management app. Use apps like Paprika, Evernote, or Google Keep to save recipe links by tapping share. Then tap on copy link. Open the Note app you preferred. Paste the video link and add personal notes. Save the video link in a document. Tap share, then hit copy link. Paste it into a Google Docs or etc. for future preference. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.